So 1.3 billion views later, how much money did I actually make, bro? In this video we're going to go over my top 3 most viewed long-form videos, my top 3 most viewed short-form videos, which has a 96 million view video, my all-time revenue for 1.3 billion views, and then we're going to talk about why I quit my channel. Let's first start with this video, 4.8 million views. It's my long-form video, 8 minutes long gaming content. I made $9,000 from this video, but I also got a $4,000 sponsor from this video. This video is my second most viewed long-form video, 5.7 million views, $4,000. It's a pretty short video. This is also a long-form video. It's my most viewed long-form video, 4,456. So my highest revenue is on this, obviously, because it's a longer and I can have more ads in it now. My third most viewed short-form video has 82 million views. Top G, $100,000. Andrew Tate vs Geometry Dash Challenge. Gain $1, 134,000 subscribers and $4,000 on this short. Now this one has 86 million views, but I only made 2,900, and this one has 94.9 million views. Sorry, I said 96, that was a lie. 145,000 subscribers. From this one video I made 3,395. Now how much did I make on this whole channel? Well, it was just about 157 grand, not too bad. But why did I quit? Well, it's because I didn't want to do gaming and I wanted to help entrepreneurs with a YouTube doobie-doo, so subscribe.